YouTube? It's Mark Woods with another video. We had the radio off because when it's low, it's making that buzz sound, but it's not as bad as it. It's not as getting. Now I'm getting kind of used to it though, but I hate it has happened. I done already changed all my grounds, so we're gonna eliminate that. The ground is okay. All the grounds is good. Gotta go up in the dash to see what's going on with it. Thank all you guys for your feedback for that. I mean, that's why I come to you guys for help. Y'all never fail me. Y'all never ever failed me. But today is the subscribers request. And the first song we're gonna do is called Jeezy, White Girl. This is requested by my boy Roma. Let's go ahead and check Roma page out. There you go. Roma 2189 Villa. You guys need to go check out his page. He has the Orion Heka amp 3000 3K, the Orion HCCA, and man, it bangs, man. And he also have the Avatar 15, and he also has the American Bass HD 15. Check him out, man, because his videos do go hard though. I ain't gonna even lie. I watch all his videos. You know, he don't probably have a big following yet, but check him out, man. Check him out. But let's check out this song. Y'all gonna hear this little buzz sound when I turn it on, of course. Let me get everything down. The amp has been doing great. The speakers have been doing great. We survived a little scare from the speakers though, but man, they're back harder than ever right now. We'll see if we can connect it. There you go. Well, that sound, but that's okay. We ain't worried about it. We're about to play some music. All right, get it back good. All right, it's an old school song, y'all, so bear with it. They do got some nice beats up in it though. Let's go.
hear it too loud. Oh boy, I can't hear ya. I need about 50 of them brick.
All right. That was a nice one. That was a nice one. Let's see if we can go here too, you know. I'm picking something off the playlist, of course. You know. And I make sure that I pick everything off the playlist when we doing the subscriber requests. Cause this is the playlist you guys, you know, requested. So let's see what we got. All right, here we go.
Suicide two-tone, bleeding with the roof gone, blooded like a newborn, cutting like a coupon, pulling on my tennis just to make the wheel turn, strike a match with my teeth just to let the weed burn, ash on my shirt, shoelace on my waist, Fiji water in my lap, hydrated all day, sesh hollow water boys live from the grave, got my hair pinned back like the fucking Green Ranger, young Chris Angel, trying to see my angle, disappear smoke, then I'm cash for some days, rubber shoe sole, feel the pressure on the pavement, pussy try to beat me, just be thankful, riding in the camouflage Bronco, looking like the white Benny Blanco, plays on me, got your bitch growing legs and running away like Ponyo, flow like my jaw broke, Tom Hanks, passing away, no shirt, no shoes, just blunts by the bay, bales of the hay, snowflakes on the grave, that's life back home where regrets got made, life got faced, windows got broke, shit got took and shit got sold, 09, trucks in the yard, brown car hearts when the cold gets harsh, uptown, P19, bitch I'm coming out the dirt with the blade on me, riding in the camouflage Bronco, looking like the white Benny Blanco, blades on me, got your bitch growing legs and running away like Ponyo, flow like my jaw broke. Travel all over the world, running nasty girls, pulling her curls, fucking me a nasty girl, yeah. She tripping in crazy girls, I bought a Chanel, they pearls, yeah. Twist and twirl, I promise baby everything thorough, yeah. She freaking from the passenger seat, shorty want a second when I speak. She only wanna follow when I leave, know how I keep a bankroll neat. I don't wanna get out the street, niggas just like honey really sweet. On fleek, 100% pointers on my teeth. And I try that shit, ain't gonna put it on repeat. Better play somebody else, cause we don't wanna pull up, spin up, we leaving everyone deceased. Acting on your wife because she like digging in the body, get up, busting on the sheets. And she like it nasty, so I told her we can leave. I'ma play my music while I struggle to the beat. Fucking like a beast. I hit like G, I'm pulling on weed. Baby, take a look at the seed, make a nigga smoke a lot of weed. The one with a 6 or a G, got a nigga high as you can be. High as you can be, you never would be fire to me. Travel all over the world, running nasty girls. Pulling her curls, fucking me a nasty girl, yeah. Fucking me a crazy girl, got body shit and they curl, yeah. Twist and twirl up on baby, everything thorough, yeah. I got this pretty dime on the knees, I heard you better die just to squeeze. I heard your old man an OG, heard he used to rub with Joey the Breeze. Can't win bench, why you gotta cheat? Put that pussy on that nigga Nike. I
see that you got love for the freak. I know why you in love with this freak. Spending half the time I tryna fuck her through the week. I'm never spending time, but she ain't never thinking deep. I hire you with the bitches, they don't gotta have degrees. I'm hanging out with know to keep it tricky in my sleeve. Next time tell a nigga free. I'm really niggas I know I can't never get no sleep. If that time me fucking, I just had to feel free. She got a baby bugging and it didn't go for me.
We're sorry. You have reached a number that has been disconnected or is no longer in service. If you feel you have reached this recording in error, please check the number and try your call again.
Yeah, I told her to put her camera. She wanna suck it on camera. I told her to put her camera. She wanna suck it on camera. I live my shit like a banner. I'm up on my head like bananas. She wanna suck it on camera. Deep in my fucking water. I talk to that hoe with no manners. Think me gonna go in the mouth. They gon' go to the top with no ladder. But my million, they don't even matter. So we made for life and ain't nothing. You know we live up better than that. She said she wanna fuck on the camera. She flew from Atlanta. She used to the She smell like a scam. Her kid with a nap. I'm too geeked up, excuse my grandma. For your top, it's so smooth bananas. We the topic can't change the channel. 40 down for the plane, no balance. I think I ain't pain in the yellow. The bank on the meter. I'm up to the top, they working for me. I don't know what to tell them. They say it's a joke. I told her to for the camera. She wanna suck it on camera. I let my shit hang like a banner. I'm up on my head like bandanas. She wanna suck it on camera. I talk to that hoe with no manners. Think me gonna go in the mouth. She wanna suck it on camera. I talk to that hoe with no manners.
All right, man. That came in on surprise on me. I didn't see that coming in like that. But you know, we gotta keep on playing, man. Let's see what this Gucci man got right here. Ice Out Bart.
Dirty laundry, the game. Someone sit back, take a shot. It's not Julio. Take a shot. Run around the studio, my wife here.
Back to bar.
Who else can do this shit?
I got an iced out bar, dog. Iced out bar, dog. Iced out bar, dog. Shut me up. I got an iced out bar with my heart used to be. Iced out bar with my heart used to be. Iced out bar with my heart used to be. I scratch out on a bitch, nothing to me. Iced out bar with my heart used to be. Iced out bar with my heart used to be. Iced out bar with my heart used to be. I scratch out on a bitch,
Dirty laundry, the game.
I got an iced out bar with my heart. Got multicolored diamond, close the shout it. Picture, say with the accountant. I call it Smurfy. Papa Smurf is the bracelet. BBS, very slight. Yes, $20,000 just to get every stone set. I'm an ex-girl and she ain't hung the phone yet. I hear the best friend that she screaming, she upset. Better watch out, cause your girlfriend the go next. See, I got an iced out pot with my heart at. She started it, niggas didn't know how hard the kid did what he did. Just to feed this damn bitch. I got an iced out pot with my heart used to be. Iced out pot with my heart used to be. Iced out pot with my heart used to be. I scratch off on a bitch, it's nothing to me. Iced out pot with my heart used to be. Iced out pot with my heart used to be. I scratch off on a bitch, it's nothing to me. Even Jay-Z fell in love with Beyonce. So niggas like me and fuck a hoe on the first date. And scratch out, cover her dress, it's nothing. I keep a brace on her, that's your friend of my club. She didn't tell y'all, because she shit. She don't. We again, please you. I got an iced out bar with my heart used to be. Iced out bar with my heart used to be. Iced out bar with my heart used to be. I scratch out on a bitch, it's nothing to me. Iced out bar with my heart used to be. Iced out bar with my heart used to be. Iced out bar with my heart used to be. scratch off on a bitch is nothing to me. It's like this, man. Yeah, man. Yes, they told me, man, we are so icy boys, man. We scratch off on the whole, man. Yeah, man. Drop the little sex on the hoes, man. This is gonna jump right, man. This is gonna jump that, man. This is gonna take the level, man. I'm gonna be fucking on the smoke, all the time. We got right sponsors. Come time. Come on, the
Now this song right here, whoever requested this song, please say something. But this one right here bangs so super hard in here. But we're about to check it out. I can show you better than I can tell you. go. Oh my gosh. Nah, that was nice, man. That was nice. You know, that was nice. Whoever requested that, thank you. Oh man, we've been in here a long time. Let's see what's going on with this song just a little bit.
She in the back of the truck, little mommy wanna fuck, and she really wanna suck. When I finish with it, then we go in the back of the club. And we do this shit to kill a nigga pronto. They better do booty to beat it like a bongo. Banging on the pussy like a nigga.
We'll calm down on this song. I think we've been here a little bit long, so man, thank you guys for the requests like always. Just wanted to give you guys a nice subscribers request. Still, there's some stuff I've been holding back on, so you know, I still gotta install my speakers, of course. Both of my tweeters in the back have busted already. And what else did I miss? I mean, I think everything else is alright, man. The alternator is working out real good. The amp is working out superior. The CT Sounds amp is great, y'all. I'm sorry. It's great. I'm impressed, man. So much now. But other than that, man, again, thanks for the request. So, if you're new, please consider subscribing. I don't know, I'm saying it all wrong, guys. My head is kind of messed up. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. If you're new, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.